we'll guide you through how to make Steam profile artwork. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, head to your computer desktop and make sure you can see all of your shortcuts and icons clearly. Look for your web browser shortcut and open it up to begin the process. Once your browser is open, go to the Google search bar and type 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘. Press enter on your keyboard and click the first link that appears in the search results. The website will open up, and you should click the big blue Select Image button displayed on the page. Find the image you want to use for your Steam artwork and press Open to upload it. After the image has been loaded, adjust the crop width and height settings on the right side of the screen until the image is cropped the way you want. Once you are satisfied with the result, press the Crop Image button located at the bottom right. Wait for the website to process the image, then click Download Cropped Image to save it to your computer. Next, minimize your browser and go back to your desktop. Look through your desktop and spot the Steam shortcut icon. Double-click the Steam shortcut to launch the program and wait for it to finish loading if necessary. Take a look at the top menu and hover over your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear, so press Profile to open your profile page. Scroll down your profile page and look at the right side of the screen. Hover your mouse and press the Artwork option. Take a look at the center of the screen and press Upload Artwork to continue. Hover your mouse to select Not Game Specific from the available options. Type your artwork title, for example, How to Make Steam Profile Artwork. Look at the option below and press the Choose File button. Look for the cropped image you just downloaded and press Open to upload it. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page and checklist the Certify Artwork box. When everything is done, press Save and Continue. Wait for a bit, and your Steam profile artwork will be successfully uploaded and visible on your profile page for other users to see.